Hey everyone, welcome back to Sparks Fire and Baling Wire. Got another little side project going today. Got this old Waterloo toolbox that belonged to my grandfather that I'm going to restore. It's in pretty good shape, other than appearance. There's really no dents in it or rust or anything like that. Basically just needs a good cleaning up. I'm going to try and reproduce his name inside there that they put on it. Replace the Navy CB sticker on there. It's not a real big toolbox, but it'll be nice for collets and end mills and stuff like that. I think I'm going to put it by the mill when it's done. Be a good little box for that. And it'll be nice to have it fixed up. I'm going to try and get that old Remington sticker removed first and heat it up with the heat gun, see if it'll peel off there. I'm going to try and get everything back close to its original location as it was. So I'm just going to take some measurements, take pictures of it that I can refer to later. I know it's all pretty crooked, not spaced right, but I'm going to keep it as close to original as I can. That'll do it for this toolbox restoration. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, leave comments down below. Catch you next time. Bye.